And let's get you all the updates this morning on the investigation into the Republic Day violence. We've accessed details of the interrogation of the main accused, Deep Sidhu. He was involved in the vandalism at the Red Fort. According to the interrogation details, Deep Sidhu had planned the Red Fort march a day before Republic Day. The prime accused had formed a group of volunteers after sensing a soft stand of farmer leaders to lead the tractor rally. It wasn't just Red Fort. Deep Sidhu's men were also planning to march to India Gate. Sidhu has revealed to the cops that after the violence, he fled to Sonipat via the Singhu border. During this absconding period, Sidhu had changed his locations from Haryana, Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. Sources said that cops are now analysing the video proof against Sidhu. On Tuesday, he was remanded to 7 days of police custody.
The man accused of being at the centre of the Republic Day violence. The man accused of fueling chaos and clashes during the tractor rally on Republic Day. Deep Sidhu, Punjabi actor turned activist who'd been on the run for 2 weeks now, is now finally in the Delhi police's net, just days after a 1 lakh rupee bounty was announced on him. Sidhu was arrested from Karnal in Haryana in the early hours of Tuesday. These videos that the actor has been putting out brazenly on Facebook since going into hiding are believed to have led to his arrest.
ना उत्थे कोई हिंसा कीती, ना किसे पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी नूं असीं डिस्ट्रॉय कीता या उन्हां नुकसान पहुंचाया, ना किसे बंदे नूं असीं मारिया कुट्टिया, ना साडे बंदे ते कोई इहो जी गल होई.
Since I have not done anything wrong, so why should I run away and why should I be scared? I'm not scared.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਮੋਸ਼ਨਲ ਕਰਤਾ, ਮੇਰੀ रूह ਅੱਜ ਦੁਖੀ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਦਾਰ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਹੋ?
Sidhu had switched off his mobile phone on the 27th of January, a day after the violence. The last location of his cell phone was tracked to Haryana. Police say that the actor used to record videos and send them to a female friend in California. The friend would then upload them on the actor's Facebook account. Technical surveillance and an intelligence tip-off finally led to Deep Sidhu's arrest.
ये जो 26 तारीख को लाल किले और दिल्ली के अन्य भागों पर जिस तरह से हिंसा और उपद्रव संगठित हुआ था, उसमें ये दीप सिद्धू नामक का शख्स प्रमुख भूमिका निभाया था. इसकी तस्वीरें पब्लिक डोमेन में है, आप सबने देखा है. इस आरोपी दीप सिद्धू के ऊपर 1 लाख रुपया का इनाम भी घोषणा किया गया था. इस आरोपी दीप सिद्धू को दिल्ली पुलिस की स्पेशल सेल की टीम ने गिरफ्तार कर लिया है. आगे की तफ्तीश जारी है.
Deep Sidhu came into the limelight in the early days of the Singhu border protest, when he also declared his sympathy for the extremist Khalistani movement.
ये revolution है. And if they are not going to understand the seriousness of this matter, trust me, it's going to be, it'll define the next political structure of this whole geopolitics of this entire country.
Since then, he's been chased away from the Singhu border, disowned by the farmer union leaders and accused of being a political agent by the opposition.
दीप सिद्धू से फिलहाल लगातार पूछताछ की जा रही है कि वो कहां गया, किस-किस से मुलाकात की, किस-किस ने उसकी छुपने में मदद की. हालांकि स्पेशल सेल के सूत्रों का कहना है कि 26 जनवरी हिंसा के बाद वो हिमाचल प्रदेश, पंजाब और हरियाणा में अपने जानकारों के यहाँ पर छुपा हुआ था. क्राइम ब्रांच ने उसे अपनी कस्टडी में ले लिया है और फिलहाल आगे की पूछताछ उससे की जाएगी. कैमरामैन राकेश के साथ अरविंद ओझा, इंडिया टुडे.
So a day after Deep Sidhu was nabbed by Delhi police from Karnal over his involvement in the Republic Day violence, probe agencies have intensified the manhunt for the second prime accused, gangster Lakha Sidana, who's been constantly changing his location. Delhi police has pinned Sidana's whereabouts somewhere near the Singhu border after he conducted a Facebook Live on Tuesday morning from the protest site, in which he can be heard proclaiming to farmer unions to bury the hatchet and to strengthen their fight against the farm laws. But this isn't the only Facebook Live he had recorded from Singhu border. On February 5th, Sidana was seen asking people to join the February 6th Chakka Jam in huge numbers. And in the same live, he can be seen eating snacks while seated at the protest site.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.